and welcome to Tech Talks. This tutorial is specially for MacBook user. So if you are also spending more than a minute to merge multiple files into a single worksheet and then create dashboard on daily basis, this video is for you. So using Microsoft Power Query Editor, you can merge multiple file into single worksheet and then create dashboard in a minute. So let me show you how to do that.
Let's say we have this data set from team member 1 and in sample 2 file we have the similar data set with the same columns from team member 2, and we want to combine both of this content into single worksheet and create a dashboard to showcase to leadership. So we can do so in a minute by using your Power Query Editor, and it also help you to clean up your data sets. So we will click on data, and from here we will click on get query Power Query Editor, and now get data. So we will click on Excel because we have Excel file. So select your file and click on get data. From here we can click on next to see the preview of our data, and a bunch of tools are available to transform it. So let me walk you through some of the basics one. So on the right you have query settings where you can name your query and see all the steps applied to your data. So we will import the second file also from here. We will follow the similar process. Click next, and then you have the second sheet as well. Click the tab. Here the data is not refreshed sometimes, so we will click here to refresh it and click on sheet 1. Yeah, we have the refreshed data now. Click on create, and now we have both the sheets here. So before performing any activities to transform your data, we will first combine both the sheets. So we'll click on append queries. We are on sheet 2, so we will select sheet 1 to be appended and click on OK. So we will have these two data in this single sheet. It has total 20 rows. Now let's say we want to remove all the null blank rows. We can do so. It's done. Now we have 19 rows only. So if you want to do any further transformation, like applying filters group by, that we can do. And once you're done, click on close and load, and it will bring the data back into Excel. Your data will be clean and ready for analysis. Let's create a pie chart or any chart to showcase category wise price, so that we can do from here. So this was the quick overview of how we can use Microsoft Query Editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Talks and hit the bell icon. See you next time.